Good morning everyone, it is 9 a.m. I'm ready to go. Let's see what the day brings me. Talk to you later. An update from the trail. So the beginning of the section 10, there was a fence now, so I couldn't go on the trail. That was on the Indian reservation, so I'm trying to go around. So I found this dirt road that kind of is parallel to the section 10, but I'm not even sure where it's gonna go. So I'm on the other side of the highway, so I need to cross the highway at some point. So let's see what happens. So I finally made it back on the trail, section 10. I went further down the road and I was able to go back on it. So it was not too bad this time. It's really pretty out here. A little rocky, but not too bad for now. Private property. Well, I'm not too far from the end of this section, so I'm just gonna go back on the road and go to the end. I don't think I can go this way, and I don't think there is another trail next to it, so that's it. So the private property sign was for just to access from this point on the road. I kept going a little bit and then I found the way around, so I'm good now, back on the trail. Walking back to my car, but as you're gonna see, I didn't really park there to enjoy the view. I was going up this hill, I almost fell, which is pretty steep, and the sand was pretty deep, so I got stuck, so I kind of backtracked, and while I was doing that I went sideways a little bit, and unfortunately I went off the road and almost rolled the Jeep over, right? Didn't happen yesterday, but it almost happened today. And now, oops. I am totally stuck on this hill in the middle of nowhere. Back wheel, everything is stuck. Tried for like 2 hours to get out of here. I can't. So that's the bottom of the hill. Can't really tell, but it's just crazy. So anyway, I called 911. I think someone will have to come over and help me out. So I'll keep you posted on what's going on. Hello everyone, well I am finally unstuck thanks to these
Randy and Grace.
Randy and Grace, thank you very much.
Over to Nevada.
Thank you very much. And the icing on the cake, they rescued me with a Jeep.
With the Jeep?
I mean,
Versus Jeep.
it doesn't get better than that, so...
You are a master driver.
Well, I don't
you know how to, if we need to get stuck, we're calling you.
Well, I'll call you.
Hey, François, can we get stuck?
But thank you very much again, guys.
We say au revoir.
Au revoir. I didn't have a chance to take a video of the rescue, so I made a little reenactment with some objects that I found in the Jeep. So here it is. So this is how the rescue went. So Randy, Grace, and myself arrived in Randy's Jeep from the top of the hill. We turned around his Jeep. We hook up his winch. In the back, he has a one that he can put on the trailer hitch. And then turn around and pull his line down, right? So here, this is the good path, and here, this is where I am stuck, right? So I'm on the side of the road like this, sideways. So he pulled his winch line out. I did the same on a Jeep. And then we connected both lines. Bam, just like that. So after that, Randy didn't have the remote for the winch, but that's okay. He made some like a magic nuts and friction roll around the winch. So he was good. He was secured. So his line was fixed, and I was going to use my winch to pull up. So pretty much what we did. Grace was in the car, and Randy stand right here, and he was on the phone with me. I had my headset, so I could communicate with him, and he was guiding me and telling me where to go, what to do. Great help. And then that's where we went. A little bit of the time, so I would just pull the winch in. I would go a little more on this side. The goal was to go back on this path here, so then I could back up on the hard part of it. So I would pull a little bit, then take the slack off, and keep going this way. Pull the winch in. So of course the goal was not to put too much gas, or then I would bury myself even deeper in the sand. So Randy was really good at reminding me, because when you're going in the car pulling the winch, you had a tendency to just like put the gas and thinking it's going to help, but it's not. So good help from Randy there, saying like use the winch should pull you, and it did. And I just kept going a little bit at a time, just like this, until I went back on the path here. Then I was straight, and then what I did, I let myself down with the winch again, slide down on the slope until I passed the area that was really soft and where I sinked on the side here. And then after that, we just disconnected the winch. Bam, no more winch. And then I just went slowly down the good spot. And again, Randy was getting me to go down. There was some rock here on the passenger side. and then I made a U-turn, and then went down the hill, and then I was good to go. So that's how it went. Because I didn't have a video setup. So here you go. You get the reenactment. And in the video, Randy and Grace's Jeep were the Batmobile. I was a Matchbox, and Randy was French wine cork. Good one. I hope you like wine, Randy. I am back at the car, going back to the gas station. I'm going to put the air back in the tires here. I'm a little low, and I'm slowly gonna go down. No more crazy thing like this. That was an insane 12-16 hours between yesterday and today. So grateful for Randy and Grace. So thanks again, guys. So let's keep going. Cheers. And this is where I stayed yesterday night, room 11. And I made it to the gas station, and I'm gonna get some cold water, reorganize the Jeep. It's a mess. Look over the Jeep too, see if everything's okay. I think it's the first time during this trip that I'm so happy to backtrack. Oh, I should say to be able to backtrack. Quite intense, getting stuck in a hill in the middle of nowhere. But okay, time to keep moving on. It is 3:30 p.m. and I found a campground. It's quite early, but after the rescue this morning, with the help of big help of Randy and Grace, I went back to gas station, then finished section 10, then went to town in Mesquite, Nevada, had lunch, and then it was really starting to get late, so I decided to just call it a day. Found a campground. It's pretty nice out here, and then I will restart the section tomorrow, and it's pretty hot now, so I think I'm gonna go in the shade and maybe take a nap.